Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to graph the function by hand, not by plotting points, but by starting with the graph of one of these standard functions. Here we have the graph of y is equal to tangent x, and then applying the appropriate transformations. So here we have y is equal to 1/4 tangent of x minus pi over 4. So based off of our original function here, we have two transformations that we need to do. So this minus pi over 4ths, this is a shift of pi over 4. Since it's being done within the tangent, it's horizontal. And it's being done by subtraction, therefore it's to the right. Once we do that, we can then do this, which is a vertical shrink, since it is a fraction, by a factor of 4. So first up, let's do a horizontal shift, pi over 4 to the right. I'm going to do this in pencil as the intermediate step. This point at 0, 0 gets moved pi over 4. This point at pi gets moved pi over 4. And the asymptotes, right, where the function approaches, also get moved over. So instead of being at negative pi over 2 and pi over 2, they're at negative pi over 4 and 3 pi over 4. And the function looks something like this. Same thing here. And again, this is the intermediate step of only horizontally shifting the function by pi over 4. Next, it has to be vertically shrunk by a factor of 4. This is going to be looking very similar to the original function because it does go off to infinity. And so shrinking by a factor of 4, it's still going to go off to infinity and negative infinity. However, each of the points is going to have I'm going to draw this in pen for the final function, a y value that is 1/4 of its original value, as evidenced by multiplying by 1 over 4. So it's going to look very similar over here, and it's going to approach 0 a lot quicker than the intermediate function, and it's going to hold at 0 a lot quicker than, for a lot longer than the immediate function before it also goes to infinity. And a similar thing here, since it is a periodic function, it is going to look something like that. And now we can use our eraser to remove the intermediate function. And now what we are left with, this is our original function, y equals tangent of x. This is the new function, y is equal to 1/4 tangent of x minus pi over 4.